Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into another heavyweight from the budget audio arena, a brand that consistently gives us fantastic quality for the price. We've talked about the tonal dots before, the T12, we've even looked at the T6, but today it's all about the Tozo T10 wireless earbuds, as you can see just here. These are a true fan favorite, known for their robust build and their legendary bass. And I'm ready to tell you exactly how they perform out and about here in the Gold Coast and even in the bustling streets of Brisbane. You can't wait to show you a bit more about them. And if you're familiar with the channel, you know I love finding tech that generally performs. And the Tozo T10 has made a name for itself with its IPX8 waterproof rating and a sound profile that bass lovers absolutely rave about. I've been putting these through the paces, from daily commutes to some outdoor sessions right here. I'm going to unbox them, set them up, detail their features, and give you my honest thoughts about how well they stand up in the real world. And guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you stay updated with all the latest reviews and tech insights. Plus, we've also got massive giveaways running where you can win some incredible gear, so check out the links below. All right, guys, let's jump in. As always with the Tozo, the unboxing experience for the T10 is clean and straightforward. Everything is neatly packed in a box, giving you that satisfying feeling of a well-presented product. Inside, you'll immediately notice the T10 earbuds snugly nestled in their charging case, just like you see here. Now, this case is often described as slightly larger or more robust than some of Tozo's other models. Now, I can definitely see that. It does feel sturdy and well-built, designed to take a bit more punishment, which is great for tossing a gym bag. You also find a USB-C charging cable, definitely a modern touch, which I always appreciate, and modern sets of earbuds and ear tips. Just like with any earbuds, getting the right ear tip size is absolutely crucial for both comfort and, more importantly, for optimizing the sound. So take your time with this. My first impressions with it, guys, is picking these up, they do feel solid. As I said, they're a bit bulkier than other earbuds I've tested, but then again, they feel quite good. They have a slightly larger presence in the ear, say, compared to the T6 as I put them in. They still do maintain an ergonomic, comfortable design with these soft, gel-flexible silicone ear cups. The case often comes with a lanyard hook as well, which is a neat little addition for those of us who are constantly on the go or like to secure their tech to a bag or go to the gym like me as well. The design is understated, usually a matte finish with a subtle shine. No garish logos, just a clean R and L to distinguish the sides. Setting up the Tozo T10 is incredibly simple. It's a true one-step pairing process. You take them out of the charging case, put them on, and they automatically power on and go into pairing mode. And then you connect them via Bluetooth 5.3 on your device. I've used these with various devices, and the connection has actually been remarkably stable. Whether I'm walking through crowded streets here in Brisbane City or sitting there on the beach in the Gold Coast, I've experienced minimal dropouts, which is exactly what you want from true wireless earbuds. You can also use just one earbud at a time if you want, which is always a bit of a bonus, guys, for flexibility as well. And again, I move my head around and they don't move either. I don't know whether you can see that. It's really good. Now let's talk about comfort and fit, because this is often a point of discussion with the T10. The ergonomic design aims for comfort, and with the right ear tip, they feel quite good. However, due to their slightly larger size and a lack of physical hook or fin, as you can see there, I found sometimes vigorous activities like sprinting or intense gym sessions, a lot of head movement, they can sometimes move a bit. So you may need to move them occasionally to get them nice in your ears. They do sit deeper in the ear canal as well than some other models, which can create more pressure for some users or over extended periods. But for daily commutes, walking, lighter workouts, or just chilling and listening to music, the Tozo T10 are perfectly comfortable for hours. It literally does come down to your ear shape, guys, and your activity level. And the great thing with Tozo is there's heaps of different types that you can actually use. And speaking of activity, let's dive into one of the T10's strongest features, its IPX waterproof rating. This is a serious point of confidence. Like many Tozo models, the earbuds and often the charging case are designed with a nano coating that makes them submersible up to 1 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. This isn't just about sweat or light rain. It means they can handle a heavy downpour, an accidental dip in a pool, or even being washed in the sink. Now, I was in the Philippines for a few months, as you guys knew. Didn't get any rain showers there, but it's wet season there at the moment. So when I get back, I need something like this. And also Queensland weather as well in Australia. It can also rain on cue. And also you can sweat a lot when it gets quite warm as well. So you need good durability when you're using them. So I've put them through tough conditions. And guys, they've shrugged it off pretty well. Now, how about the sound quality? This is where the Tozo T10 makes its statement. It's equipped with 8mm dynamic drivers in the earbuds. And these earbuds are known for their powerful bass performance. As you can see, they are just there. If you're a bass lover, if you thrive on deep thumping low ends for your hip hop, EDM, or electronic music, the T10 is going to make you happy. The kick drums with a real oomph, and there's a fullness to the mids. Now, guys, while these aren't up there with your more premium earbuds, they do a good job. And I found that on the 2024 edition, in comparison, it still remains a strong foundation without completely overwhelming the mids and highs. It's not the most neutral sound profile, but it's very energetic and engaging.